Hello everyone, welcome to section 5 titled Making Money. In this section we'll first look at the theory behind in-app purchases, looking at the different types and ways to monetize an app. We will then start adding a base class to the project, adding the NuGet package for cross-platform in-app billing and adding a store screen. Next we will look at implementing the purchases on Android by adding the game to a Google Play account and adding the in-app purchase in there. Then we will be implementing the purchases on iOS by adding the app to an iTunes Connect account and adding the purchase. Finally, we will take a further in-depth look at rewarded video ads and how we would integrate them into our game. This video is titled Theory In-App Purchases. In this video we're going to be looking at the different types of in-app purchases and how we can monetize the app. Before we release the app onto the stores, we need to find a way to monetize the app. There are two main ways to do this. First, we could release the application as a paid application. This ensures us a guaranteed purchase with an install of the app. However, it restricts the money we can make as there is only an initial purchase. Customers are also less likely to download the app as many of them prefer to download the free apps instead. Instead of releasing a game like this, we would release it for free instead and add in-app purchases. This way, customers are more likely to download the app so that it reaches more players and they are able to make multiple purchases for the same product. However, a disadvantage to this model is that a lot of users are unlikely to make a purchase, so the income from the app is not guaranteed. The people that do make a purchase, though, may be susceptible to making multiple purchases throughout the app's lifetime. There are two types of purchases that we can implement in an app: a managed purchase and a subscription purchase. With a subscription, the user can purchase content repeatedly for an amount of time similar to a magazine subscription. For the managed product, the product is purchased on a one-time basis. With this managed product, we can also choose to make it consumable. This way, if the user consumes the purchase, they are eligible to repurchase it in the future. In our game, we're going to add functionality to add a consumable product. We're going to add the product on Android and iOS and add functionality to purchase the product in our game. The product will be a consumable object that gives the player 3 extra lives at the beginning of the game, and they are able to make the purchase multiple times. In summary, we have learnt about the different types of purchases that can be implemented. A product can either be a managed product or a subscription.